Hey everybody, it's Mike at Find Your Cards. How you doing? It's February 12th. I'm just going to cover a few things here. It's our 2012-2013 Artifacts Hockey box break. Hopefully we have a big break here and get some nice stuff. We're just going to get the last auction here. That was won by Phoenix M 2006. That was for the Winnipeg Jets. So just check that out over there. Then we will just go over current time, which of course is Eastern Standard Time they do on here. I'm on Atlantic Time. Just have the Tampa Bay Montreal game on background. It's February 12th, 2013, 22:0047 Eastern Standard Time. Random.org, case required. I'm just gonna bring back up the camera here, turn this around, get ready to do our break. We'll go over the serial number, over the list of people, one each team, and then carry on. Alright. Okay, there we go, guys. Just cover this sec here, just get everything all organized. Looking forward to this break. First actual full box that I've done of Artifacts. I've grabbed lots of packs over the time. Lots of nice stuff in there. And don't mind the set at the bottom, I just didn't update it. It said Anthology, but this is Artifacts, as we see the names there. The serial number is NE189556522. I'll show it for you guys, get the best I can. Hope you don't get reflection. Getting a little bit, but there we go. Alrighty. So, of course, as you lead in the rules, our retired players, I would do the random at the end because it's going to go between all teams that, if, say, for example, we had a Team Canada retired player, it'll go between all teams that they played for. So we do that at the end. I send that as an extra video. Other examples of Team Canada will go to the team they're currently with. So let's just come to a couple of extra little rules there for this break. I'd like to wish everybody good luck and thanks for coming along, checking out the video, and like I said, let's pull some big hits for everybody. Alright, let's crack into this here. Let's go. Do a little more cut there. So I got no breaks there, finishing up tomorrow. Probably going to have some Pinnacle finishing up on Thursday. And also got a box of Limited that I'm going to do maybe Thursday as well. Okay, we got our empty box here. We got our packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Of course, all different thicknesses, but of course, thick one could have the decoys, so it really never means much. Alright, let's set that side. Okay, let's get in here. Let's get started. Alright, so right off the bat, we got a rookie redemption for the Philadelphia Flyers. This is it, rookie redemption. It's red 219. Try to get the best I can. There we go. So there's our first hit. So who's that for? That's Charlotte Warner. Leave it, Charlotte Warner, yep. Okay. We got a rookie for the Colorado Avalanche, Mike Connolly, and that's number 561 of 999. 199. Okay, so we got Marcus Foligno, and it's number 567 of 999, just slight little neck at the bottom. Of course, that's for the Sabres. For the Sabres, Marcus Foligno, Team Canada. Team Canada, nice looking cards. Okay. Alright, so we got a jersey patch for the St. Louis Blues. It's number 31 of 75. It's Kevin Shattenkirk, and it's a 2-color patch here. It's black and white, and that's for the St. Louis Blues, Kevin Shattenkirk. So we got an emerald number to 99. It's for the Ottawa Senators. 69 of 99. Daniel Alfredsson. I haven't seen any of the All-Star ones yet. Larry Robinson. And we got Martin Brodeur, number 221 of 999. And that, of course, for the Devils, obviously. Who else would Brodeur be for? Alright, we got rookie, Jeremy Welsh for the Carolina Hurricanes, and that's numbered 873 of 999. Alright, so we got Cam Fowler, and it's number 99 of 125. It's a double jersey, dual jersey. Now, of course, for the Anaheim Ducks, Cam Fowler. Alright, a couple packs to go. Let's see, what one do we want to do? Let's go with that one. One originally is on top anyways. Let's get something big in the last couple packs here. Looking for something big. What do we got here? Hey, we got another rookie redemption. It's one of the mystery redemptions, so this is gonna get randomized off after here, and it'll be number 8 rookie redemption. So of course, as we know, we don't know. Most of you know, we don't know who these are going to be yet. So have to wait and see. Double check, but I'm sure the checklist isn't out yet. So you've just received a 2012-13 Artifacts Auto Rookie Redemption card. There we go. That's a nice hit. Some good rookies out there too. So. Alright, last pack. Let's get something else good. That was good, but not done yet. Looking for something big, something big, something big. Remove that. What do we got? Alright, that's a nice Thunder Tandems. It's the Dual Team Canada one, but of course it's for the San Jose Sharks. It's Patrick Marleau, Joe Thornton. So that's a nice one for the San Jose Sharks. Alright, so just stick with me for a sec. I'm gonna, since the little one randomized off, you either can go if you want, but I think you're all gonna want to see this because you want to know who's gonna get it. Alright, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up another video, so thanks guys, and just check in the next video, and that will be for the redemption. And also I'd like to thank you guys all again for coming along for this break. It's Mike Find Your Cards, And like I say, I'm going to have some Pinnacle and some Limited for sure, and have some other boxes for the weekend. Alright, thanks guys.